Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel KKLS Permala. Today we are gonna start with a new subject, math, and the topic is decimals. And here I'm teaching you today in this video. I'm teaching about multiplication of decimals and division of decimals. In the next video, I'll teach you about addition and subtraction of decimals, because as decimals addition and subtraction is easy. Now I'm telling you, I took a example as 24.80. Why am I calling this 80 as 80 after this point? Because there is a rule in decimals that after a point we have to call these numbers as 80. Suppose I have 24 also, I should call it as 24. There is no rule that only for 80 we have to call it like that. For every single number we have it as 80 only. And now how will we multiply this? We should not just multiply in the normal multiplication method. We have a simple easy method for this. This is a super math technique. And now I have 24.80 into 1000. How will you do into 1000 here? See, if it is, this is a midpoint in decimals, that if it is into, you have to change the point to the right side. And if it is division, you have to change it to the left side. You have to shift the point 3 times left. If it is 3 zeros, you'll check how many zeros are here. Suppose I have 10 here, I have only 1 zero. So I will only change this point once and it will be 248.0, because I had only 1 zero in 10. Yeah, okay. Why are we, coming to the main point, why are we calling this 80? Because as we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and etc. in this side, we have the other in this side also. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, like that, etc. we have. So in this side we don't have ones. We start with tens. We don't call it normally as tens. We call it as tenths. We are adding this th over here. And as you can see here, 24.24800.0. Why am I calling this as this? For your understanding. 24800.0. How did I get this answer? If you do normal multiplication also, you'll get the same answer. But for simplification for your comfort, I am doing it like this. I shifted it to the right side. I shifted the point to the right side 3 spaces, as I have 3 zeros here. 1, 2 and 3. So what will be the answer? It's between 4 and 8, right? 1, 2 and 3. Why do I have 0.0 here? Because if I leave it as 24800, it will be a normal number 248, because zeros don't be counted here. In decimals, zeros don't be counted. So I kept a point and I added 0 here. And now coming to division. I kept it in the cancellation method, as you people can understand it very easily. Okay. In division method, as I said you before, 3 sides left. 3 sides left. in division, that is the rule. You should make the point move 3 sides left if it is 1000. As I said before, for into, if it is 10, you'll only move one space as only 10 is there. Here also is the same method, but as in into, you will change it to the right side, and as in division, you'll change it to left side. Now how will I get the answer for this? You no need to do the division. As I said you, simple method, very simple method is change the point more 3 times here. Okay, so I have 3 zeros, 1000 here, so I'll move it 3 spaces forward, left side. Okay, here I have 4, 2 here, and I will add 0 in front of 2, and I have 0.02480. 0.02480 is my answer, because as I said you before, that is the rule of decimals. See, it will change one jump, second jump, so I added here, now it will be here, and third jump. How can I write any number here if it is 808? No. I can add 0 because 0 will not be counted. The same thing will be in into and division also. Why will we call this tenths and hundredths, thousandths? We will call this tenths, hundredths and thousandths because it is the rule of decimals. It is the rule of decimals. What is this? What does deci mean? Say me, anyone. If you know the answer, just comment, but I am only replying here. Deci means 1. Deci means 1. Mulse means more. Deci means 1. Mulse means more. 1 and more. See, here 1 and more. 1 and more. 1 and more. This is the definition of decimals. You all can just write it down anywhere. If you have a book, you can just write it down. And now I have decimals. Deci means 1, mulse means more. For your understanding and for your explaining you, I just marked here. You can just copy it down right now. Okay, I'll just wait. I think you all copied it down. Okay. As I said you, the answer is 0.02480. How did I get this? I have explained you also. I am taking an example of another number here. Division. I am explaining you division here. I am taking 2.80. This is a small number. How can you do it now? I'm taking 100. This time I'm taking 100 instead of 1000. I took 100 instead of 1000. So here what will be the answer? I should move it 2 spaces left. 2 spaces left as I have 2 zeros only here. 2 spaces left as I have only 2 zeros. So what will be the answer? 0.0280. 0.280. As coming to multiplication also, I will give you one example. These are only the examples. Okay, the question will be the same thing but into, okay, 2.80 into 100. Okay, here also as I have only 2 zeros, I have to only move 2 spaces. So the answer will be here 2.280. I am shifting it here. 0.0. As here if you just leave it like that, it will be 280. But if you write 0 also, it is the same value, as 0 doesn't be counted. And as I said here, the answer will be 2.280.0. How did I get this? I just moved this point here 2 spaces near the end 2. So what will I have? 0.0. I will have 0.0. This point is a decimal point. This point is the decimal point. As I said, this whole thing will be important for grades 5, 4, 6th, 7th and 8th mostly, because every class, every grade you will have the same thing, decimals, but the portion will be increasing. You will have the same chapter decimals as in 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th, 9th, 10th. Inter also you will have the same chapter, but your portion will be getting more. As here I am teaching you simple things, but as you go higher, you will get more. You will get more topics like this. Like as I said you, multiplication and division only, but you will get more topics such as some integers and decimals. Like that you'll get more and more topics. And one more thing, thank you for watching my video. Please share, comment, subscribe. Thank you, and don't forget to click the bell icon.